Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel, Tech It Simple. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to like someone on Bumble. Now, let's begin. Let's simply open up the Bumble application right here. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Well, here is Bumble. And let's just say we want to like someone on Bumble. It's quite easy. For anyone you're interested in, simply swipe right, and there you go. It means that you are interested in that person. In case you are not interested, swipe left. It's as easy as that. Swipe right for interested and swipe left for not interested. It's quite easy. And here are these two buttons on the left. If you click on it, you can compliment someone. And if you click on this button right here, well, that's super swipe. That's a premium feature. You can only use that once you've subscribed to Bumble Premium. Well, guys, that's it. That's how you like someone on Bumble. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share, and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.